How to set the time duration between slides on PowerPoint. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to make your PowerPoint slides advance automatically. No need to click between slides. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first, open your PowerPoint presentation and select the first slide. And once you have selected it, go to the transition tab on the top menu, and here on the right hand side you'll see a section called advanced slide. Make sure that the on mouse click box is unchecked and check the after box. Now set the time duration for how long you want the slide to stay on the screen before moving to the next one. For example, you can set it to 2 seconds. Now repeat this for each slide in a presentation, and once you have done that, you can go back to the first slide and hit Slideshow and play the presentation to see it in the action. And that's it. Now your slides will move forward automatically after the time you have set. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.